let's write a HTML file. We can write a HTML file using any text editor. So I have created a one folder called HTML in the desktop. So let's get inside. So for this we will use Notepad to create the HTML file. So just what you can do is directly you can go pad, one Notepad and file, save as. So go to HTML folder. What we can do is my first page dot html, and we will just save it. So you can see now that my first page is there in the HTML folder. So and the icon shows like Chrome browser. So we can just open it. So it is now empty because we have not written anything in this file. So we can write this is my first page, okay, and Control S, and we come here and just refresh here. So you can see this is my first page in the browser. So you can use any editor. So like I have already this Visual Studio Code, and you can see I have already linked this page, so it is showing here. So let's write the second page in the Visual Studio Code. I'm using the Visual Studio Code because it is easy to write and manage. In one place you can see all your folders and pages. So let's write. So to write a second file, just go to the folder and just click in the plus button, and we can write my second page, okay, dot html. So always for HTML file, we have to give the .html file as a extension. So it will convert the normal text to HTML. We give this one. So as usual, you can see this one. So if you want any other browser also, you can do. So just right click, open with. You can choose another app. So let's take Firefox. Always use this app to open .html file. You select, then default browser it will change to Firefox. So let's do that one. So okay. So it will open this one. Not now, as we have not written anything. It is empty. So let's write in something here in the page. You can see now the icon are changed to Firefox. So this is my second page. Control S, we save the file. So now we can go here and we can refresh. We can see the second page. So let's write H1, and we will save. Here we come and again refresh it. So you can see it is not showing the H1 tag, but it is showing the letter as a B. So what it does is the H1 is a header tag. So it will change the font size and the make it bold. Okay. So this is the so browser basically parse the code and it will understand what user is trying to do, and based on that it will render the page. So this is what. So we can see others code also. So let's go to Google and we can type W. We can write any HTML w3schools.com. Let's go here, and what we can do is we can save the page. To save, Control S. So it will ask where you want to save. So inside HTML, we can create one more folder. Let's tell it test. Okay. So let's save inside the test. So save. So it will take some time to save. So let it save. So what, and or there is another way to see the web page content, I mean the code of the web page. So just right click and view page source. Okay. So you can see the code what is written in the page to inside the page. Actually there are many function, many styles, so everything whatever is written it shows here. Okay. So the here the takeaway thing is any file name with the extension of HTML, it will make your page to, it basically make your text file to a HTML file, and the browser can read it and shows whatever it is written there. So there is actually some basic structure how to write the HTML file. So we will see that one. So let's check again if it has been saved. I think it has been saved. So let's go to the file folder HTML. Inside here is test file. So here you can see many files are there. These are all supported icons and all are here. So we go here and again let's click here. So you can see this is now reading from our local drive. Okay. But here you can see the original one is this one. So here many icons are here. Okay. But if you see here in our local one, you can see some icons are failed, some checkbox is not aligned, kind of thing. Here the icons are not showing compared to what it is showing here. But this is the way you can download a page and you can see the code. So to see the code, as I told, just right click and view page source. So that's all. See for the page. Okay. Okay, friends. So this is the way we can write a HTML page. So next we will see how to write HTML with basic structure.